Hello students, welcome to Web Programming course. My name is Zagala Laga and I am your instructor for this course. As a computer science students, you have already developed a solid foundation in programming, algorithms, and data structures. Now it's time to apply that knowledge to the web. This course will guide you through the essential technologies and concepts needed to build dynamic and interactive web applications. Web programming is the process of creating websites and web applications that people use every day, from simple blogs to complex e-commerce platform. Everything on the web is powered by programming languages and frameworks. The web is an ever-evolving ecosystem, and mastering web development is crucial skills for modern software engineers. In this course, we will go beyond static web pages and explore full-stack developments, covering both front-end and back-end technologies. Web programming involves three major components. The first one, front-end development. This is what users see and interact with the design, layout, and animation of website. You will learn core technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Second, backend development. This is the logic behind the website. It is processed data, handles user input, and communicate with database. We will work with languages like Python, PHP, Node, and Java. The third one, database management. Web applications need to store and retrieve data efficiently. This is done using databases like MySQL and MongoDB. When you open a website, your browser sends a request to a server. The server processes this request, fetches the needed data, and sends it back to your browser. This process is known as client-server model. Web programming enables real-time interactions like logging system, submitting forms, and even chatting live. This course has 7 different chapters. We begin with the World Wide Web, explaining how the internet works, web hosting, domain registration, and deploying websites online. Next, we cover hypertext markup language. It is the building block of the web. You will learn how to structure web pages using different tags, handle multimedia, and organize contents effectively. Then we dive into cascading style sheets. To style your web page, you will master layout techniques and responsive designs to ensure your pages look great on any device. With JavaScript, you will bring interactivity to your website. Learn how to add dynamic elements that respond to user action. Finally, we will introduce PHP and MySQL. You will learn how to process data on the server, handle forms, and connect your site to a database for dynamic content. In this chapter, you will learn how to connect your website to database using PHP and MySQL, allowing you to store and retrieve data dynamically. As future software developers, understanding web technologies is critical, whether you aim to be front-end developer, back-end engineers, or full-stack developer. The concept in this course will prepare you for real-world application development. You will gain hand-on experience with essential tools and frameworks used in the industry. Learning web programming opens endless opportunities. You can build your own website and web applications, work as a freelance developer in tech companies, create interactive platforms like social media, e-commerce, and blogs. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to design, build, and deploy real-world web applications. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of web programming. See you in chapter 1.